TraderWay offers some really useful tools. Let's go over them really quickly. The first one is the calendar tool. Here you could basically have your own calendar built into the website of the dashboard where you could add events, deliveries, etc. You would just go to New Event, you'd give it a name, add the event type and the date, and click Save Event, and it would show up on your calendar like so. Next tool is the Website Insights, and here, from the name, it's all the insights that you would need from the website showing up in one place. Next is Valuations. Here you'd have the guide for the pricing and the valuation of every vehicle that you have on the website. You could check a valuation of a car by entering the VRM and the mileage, and it would automatically give you an average valuation for it. Next is Reservations. Here if somebody made a deposit from the website or they want to make a reservation, it would show up here. Subscribers, same thing like Reservations, but for subscribers, and the emailing list, of course. Next is Socials. If you have a car listed on your website, you could publish it to social media by using this tool over here: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, X, etc. And finally, the activity log. Here is where you keep track of all the activities that happen on the website or on the dashboard.